Hello to all my beautiful subscribers. As you can see, I'm sitting in my car here and I'm just waiting to go and see my friends. We're meeting up for a coffee and then I'm going to meet my other friend and play some Xbox for a few hours. But I've got a little, I've got like 20 minutes to kill. So what I thought I'd do is just talk about what's been happening today at Trade Satoshi with Bitcoin private and all that. I mean, Trade Satoshi is such a crap exchange, isn't it? It really is bad. You know what, I was checking the price sometimes and it kept doing the service unavailable. I told my friend Mark about it and he bought some Bitcoin coins, I think around the $100 mark. But we saw the prices as low as like $28 at one point, and it was higher than that. I don't know if it was like 150, 200 at one point. It was at least 150. What's clear is that Trade Satoshi being the first place that allows you to deposit coins. We know that KuCoin, people got airdrop coins, but the first place to deposit Bitcoin private coins, there has been a rush of people who have went there to try and sell their Bitcoin private. Now, I mentioned this in a comment in one of my other videos, but I believe these people are the weak hands, the people that are rushing to sell them at any price. Now, I'm not saying I wouldn't sell right now at a good price, I would. But if it isn't a good price, I'll be keeping these coins for months or years. I do think it's a coin that's going to do well over the long term. But for people that are selling at $30, it's just idiotic. But I think these people, what they're doing is, they're just looking to break even. They're just looking to cut their losses and they're just looking to get out the game. They just want rid of their coins. Now, there's obviously some manipulation going on as well. We saw that in KuCoin where, at the very start, there was someone who sold at $32 and someone who bought at like $860. And obviously, the overflated price of I would say it's a little bit too high. $860 at this time is too high for Bitcoin private. And the person who bought that was probably trying to set a marker so that it sets a market price and then, others will follow. And the same, the guy that sold at $32, they were probably trying to drive the price down so that they can buy more. So, you have to remember this, there's people with a lot of money, they've got a lot of Bitcoin, and they're trying to either buy at a certain price or sell at a certain price. So they will use their coins and sacrifice a few coins in effect to do that. One thing, I do think Trade Satoshi is a crap website, and one of the things it just drives me insane. Why do they have a chat box? What does this achieve? What does a chat box achieve on an exchange? It doesn't achieve anything. Anything at all. Nothing. If you look at the chat box in Trade Satoshi, I'm not trying to insult people's intelligence, but it looks like the average age of people posting there is like 8 years old. Or, all the grammar's bad and people are just, posting funny messages and all that. There was people saying, oh, it's a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam. And then people were saying, no, this coin should be worth $10,000, $2,000. Just complete idiotic statements. Now, what worries me is, it's a little bit annoying that the chat box is there, but it worries me that these are the people that are selling coins and buying coins. I don't want to insult anyone's intelligence, but really, if you're sitting in a chat box posting this kind of stuff, that's bad. But I think a bigger problem is that if you're on Trade Satoshi and you're looking at those comments and you're affected by it, if your estimation of what a coin is or isn't looking at what the comments are in a spammy chat box, then cryptocurrency probably isn't for you. It probably isn't for you at all. So yeah, it's a little bit, just watching it today, it's a little bit surreal. But I think that Trade Satoshi, HIP, BTC and KuCoin, for the first day or maybe even the first 2 days, they're all going to be in their own little ecosystem where it could be $100 at Trade Satoshi, it could be 200 at KuCoin, 300 at HIP BTC. We don't know where the average is. We saw KuCoin last night, the average was like $250, $300. And we saw this with Z Classic. There was at one, for about 3 or 4 hours, I think Cryptopia was selling at like 2 or 3 times higher than the other exchanges. So you need to remember that, it takes a little time for the prices to even out between all the markets. But right now, I don't, I think what we're seeing is weak hands, people that just want to break even, and that's why the price is low. You might call me a shill. You might say that I've got my head in the clouds, but I do think that this is a coin that's going to do well long term. At the very least, I think it's going to even out about the $200, kind of $250 mark, maybe over the next couple of weeks. So I think selling anything below that is, you're selling yourself short. unless you think you can manipulate the market and, you know, get more coins or get some more money out of it. But I'd love to hear what you guys think about it. I haven't seen anything from Trade Satoshi over the last week or two to suggest it's a place that I want to put my money. But without a doubt, there's some people that got some bargains today. So, yeah, there is that. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And let me know if you've been following it today. Let me know what you think. And please do check your Binance account, because there was an announcement today and there's a lot of people reporting that accounts have been compromised. So make sure you check my Twitter. I retweeted a link to a Reddit page that talked about it. Till next time, guys. Take care.